So hi and thank you for joining, and if you are watching my video, make sure to you follow my Instagram and follow YouTube channel. Or before we start, I would like to request that if you want to join my VIP channel, all you can do is to go my link on my TikTok. You can find there. This is free Telegram channel, and also when you join here, I'm introducing my broker. If you join my VIP free channel, this one, there's 26 people right now. Here you can see VIP trading 0.5. This is 26 people. So there we have NFP. We buy here NFP. This is NFP total small lot 0.02. Pretty simple is that 0.02, but there's a good profit running. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, if you want to be part of my VIP group, all you gotta do, join my free community Telegram. Here you will see the broker I use. All you gotta do to create an account, get verified, deposit, DM me on my Instagram, DM me on my Telegram, DM me on my TikTok. Once I check, I verify, you can join my VIP group free of charge. Whatever trade I do, you're gonna do the same thing. Okay, so if you have any question, you can drop me a DM on my Instagram. All right, so let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start it from the weekly time frame. This is weekly time frame, and as the week is finished, what we're looking at, we're gonna measure first, as always we do, our last support and this support, and we have the higher time all-time high, this resistance. And what we're looking at, if we look at little, okay, let me make it bigger a little bit. So we got three continuous strike with the bullish candle, 1, 2, and 3, and we're looking at this pair. The down support has been retested. Okay, this weekly candle we have looking at the bearish candle has been closed, and what we're looking at, the higher time frame, the all-time high is not being taken this week. So this higher is going to be take out or not by the next week or not. We never know that, because nobody can predict a market in advance. Okay, so what are we looking for the next Monday? What could happen? Where we can buy and sell. The question is where we can buy and sell. So we have this support line, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is 3 for a weekly. We go back to smaller time frame. So now smaller time frame is daily one. Remember, every time I say when we analyze the market, we should analyze the market from the higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay, this education is only for 70%. If people who would like to get my mentorship, learn the way I trade, build your strategy and the key level, then you should DM me and take my paid mentorship. Okay, we can discuss about that later also. We still have the trend line is still going on upper side, and what we're looking at with the drawing, high, lower high, higher high, lower high, high high, right? This one, creating new high, previous high being retested here, and this high again continue new high. So now this price has to be recover. You can say this area total, this full area has to be recovered. So we have this fair value gap around this area. Let me clear a little bit. So if I draw this area about here to this area, price is almost reaching, and maybe another 300 to 600 pips. If price reach here, it definitely can. Price could go maybe in this way and go above. Okay, it could possible. So we still have so many gap to fill out. So what could happen, we'll need to figure out. So On daily time frame, it's also very important. When you're looking at the higher time frame, there's high probability then you can take really profitable trade. Me, I take mostly the higher time frame when I trade. Okay, you make your strategy on a higher time frame and then you execute it. You should go the lower time frame. Okay, so now I'm making my this first support, second support. This is the all-time high, this is a resistance. So what we're looking at here, if we go for the 4-hour time frame, we have the trend line perfectly here. I can make it this little straight line. So okay, this is 4-hour time frame. If I squeeze it, okay, let's watch what we're looking at. The market keep high and this trend line is still being respected in a higher time frame. Okay, if we go smaller time frame, we still can see different trend lines. Remember, if you go in a day trader and if you're only looking for 10 to 15 pip in a daily, for a daily base on a day trading, I suggest maybe you can make money, but it's a little risky. If you can wait a little patient, maybe I think you can find a good setup. So okay, continue for that on a 4-hour. So we're looking at this support and this resistance. Look at the price is in above this support and it's in a range area. You see this, the price is not deciding whether it's gonna go break a new high. It's in a, you see this, it's in a range area. So when the price in a range, it's very simple. It's simple in this way. For example, if I make you this box and now we need to draw here. So price from here is coming up, go high, maybe it's go $60, then come back to $50, then 60, then maybe come, 45, then go up, then 50, then again 60. So price need to decide whether it's go new higher. Then when creating a new high, all you gotta do, you don't need to enter anywhere. That's the big problem. That's called discipline. The discipline is you don't need to enter, you don't need to chase the market. All you have to do, once you know this resistance has been broken and the new high has been generated, so maybe there's a momentum, push the market down and wait for to reverse, to retest the price. Okay, then retest the price. It could be your entry, but the entry only you can take if this price, if you see the certain candle pattern over there present, closing above the second candle, closing the previous above the previous candle, then only you can take entry and putting your stop loss below this level. Well, maybe this is gonna be a little confused and tricky for you if you're watching this my video for first time. So I suggest if you have any consult, you can come and talk to me. Anytime you can DM me on my Instagram. So anyway, what we are looking at in 4-hour, we have a big zone for resistance and support. So we go for smaller time frame now. So for example, we go for 1-hour time frame and we can squeeze a little bit here. Let's see what we got on 1-hour time frame. We look at the 1-hour time frame, we got the same thing again. Okay, you can see very clearly 1-hour time frame. Let's forget about this trend line for now. We don't have any much pattern. You can clearly see price is just going up, down, up, range, up, down, nothing else. For this price 26.29 to, for example, 79. So 29, 39, 49, 59, 69. This is 400 pips. From here, it's 400 pips. 400 pips. So that's a lot pip actually. If you can earn even 100 pip, that's a lot of money according to your risk management. So what we're looking at Monday. Okay, let's see Monday. We go smaller time frame, 30-minute time frame. We don't see anything. Remember, when we don't have anything to execute like a buy or sell, we do not need to trade. We never need to trade. Never. We have nothing. Smaller time frame, if you're looking for a small time frame, what we are looking at here, this height. Okay, what we are looking at just to here. in a smaller time frame. Let's make, for example, this is our resistance, okay, and smaller time frame, we got this is a support, and inside support is there. Okay, it's really confusing this time, because if the Monday's market is open, what is gonna do, because we have this lower low twice, strong support is here, resistance, the wick is already taken here, price is still ranging. If price wanted to go, I have no idea right now. So I think if we look at the price, if morning next day, if this price goes up, for example, okay, we look in this smaller time frame with the zone, if price go above, retested here, continues here, we have opportunity here to take the price about, you see, 165 the pips, 165 pips to be taken. Okay, so if we only possibly could take that, okay, because this lower already has been taken several times, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, if we look at in a higher time frame, so why we can take the trade, let's go back to daily one, because we don't see any trade on a smaller time frame, so we're gonna stick back to a daily time frame. So we need to figure out what we have in a chart frame. Chart frame is what we can look at, what the chart pattern is telling us. Let's look at this. This is important, okay? So we got this, for example, small trend and above, the price has been, this high has been taken because the liquidity pushing the price higher, but the daily 3 candle here, this high blue candle, this yesterday candle on the Friday candle, it's the liquidity pushing a high, but still we have the higher time, higher all-time high, the price 26.85. This price is not reaching here, so I think this price must be taken. So in my opinion, I think if the price from here continue go down like that, then Monday could be leave the wick to retest this price and come back. So if I want to say, if I'm looking for the price to come down, this maybe small long we can take, come back and dropping here, you understand, dropping here, because this is 25.81, nearby 80, 81, 90, 80, 86, 87, 88, 89. This could be our supply zone. This is gonna be our supply zone. Remember that this is gonna be supply zone. If it's this height fall, if this higher price is not being taken, this higher price, if this Monday or Tuesday not being taken, the price will continue drop, and when drop till 25.86 to 81, price will pump up to come back to take this all-time high. It could be price can go higher. I hope you understand simply strategy, what we are looking for on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, because Thursday and Friday will be different. So this 3 days is mostly important for trading, okay? As we long has our daily time frame, we got high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and higher high. So this 3 attempt has been taken. If next, this one is look like to me a bullish flag. If it's taken one big candle, bullish come, it has to be a big drop. It has to be a big drop till 25.34. Then once it's gonna recover this whole area, I think price will return back to, it could go to 3,000 to coming next year, January. Okay, I hope you understand simple strategy, and I hope you're gonna follow my YouTube, where you can see now it's 58 subscriber. But this all, I made this YouTube channel because of public demand. So people want me to do a webinar. So once it's hit 300 followers, subscriber, I'm gonna do live trading here. And for that reason, I want you to guys to support me, and you can learn something basically here. And if you want to take my mentorship, you have to DM. If you have been losing over $1,000, it's time that. Also follow my Instagram. Every link you're gonna get it in my bio of TikTok. You can get all the link into my description. Okay, I hope you understand, and I wish you all the great weekend. And we're gonna start live TikTok starting from Monday with Asian session. Thank you.